Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create an endless scrolling animation in Figma and add it to your website. This is a great effect to keep content flowing smoothly, especially for long lists or feeds. Let's get started. This is the website where we'll be adding the endless scrolling feature. Scroll all the way to the bottom, and here you'll see a row of logos. Now, we'll select all the logos by dragging over them. Once all the logos are selected, let's apply an auto layout to them. Next, select all the logos and duplicate them. Now we'll turn this auto layout into a frame. Now we'll turn this frame into a component. Next, we'll add a variant to the component. Now drag the duplicated frame down and align it properly with the original. This step is important to ensure smooth scrolling. Now let's move to the prototype tab to set up our endless scroll. First, link the first frame to the second by dragging the circle. For the interaction, select Smart Animate as the animation type. Set the easing to linear and add a delay of 1 millisecond. This creates a smooth, continuous scrolling effect. Now, we'll link the second frame back to the first. This time, set the interaction to instant. This will make the scroll loop seamlessly. Now that we've linked our frames, it's time to see our hard work in action. Here we go. As you can see, the content scrolls smoothly from the first frame to the second and then loops back seamlessly. This creates that endless scrolling effect we were aiming for. And that's how you create an endless scrolling animation in Figma and integrate it into your website. If you're working on your own website or project, give this a try. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more design tutorials like this one. See you in the next video.